Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to list your car on Hyrecar. So first, launch your web browser and go to herecar.com. Now here, on the homepage, on the top navigation bar, you will see a button, Learn More. Hover on that and then a context menu will appear. Click on Owner Guide. Once you click on that, it will take you to another web page. It includes all of the necessary details and statistics and testimonials about Hyrecar as an owner. Now, you will see a big blue button. Click on it. It will take you to another portal again, and here they will ask you to sign up. You can sign up with Apple or Google or with email. After you sign up, it will take you here to their main dashboard. So, to list your car, on the left navigation tab, you will see a list a car button with a plus icon on it. Click on it. Before that, please click the link here, our requirements. Once you click on it, it will take you here. And then make sure your car follows all of these standards in order to qualify. Go back, and then here are all the necessary details you will fill out: the VIN, the details, the photos, the description of the car, your location, protection plan, and the price, and all of the necessary documents. And then after you go through all of these, you will be done on your car listing.